Ever dreamed of visiting Bali? Envisioned yourself basking in the warm tropical sun, immersed in rich culture and stunning landscapes? Bali is a tourist's dream destination, a place where every corner holds a new adventure, a new story. First on the agenda, temples. Bali is adorned with magnificent temples like Tanah Lot, Uluwatu, and Besaki. Each one offers a unique blend of history, culture, and breathtaking scenery. Next, let's talk about beaches. From Kuta to Seminyak to Nusa Dua, Bali's beaches are a paradise for sun worshippers and water sports enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or simply love to snorkel, Bali's beaches have something for everyone. Now, to the heart of Bali, Ubud. This cultural epicenter is home to the Monkey Forest, Ubud Palace, and Ubud Market. A perfect blend of history, culture, and shopping. Ever seen a postcard perfect picture of Bali's rice terraces? That's Tegallalang and Jadalui. These emerald green landscapes are the epitome of serene beauty. Water temples like Tirta Empul and Goa Gaja are next on our list. These ancient temples hold immense spiritual and historical significance. Bali is also a hub for arts and crafts. Visit Seluk for silver jewelry, Mas for wood carving, and Batubulan for traditional Balinese dance performances. For the adventure seekers, trekking Mount Batur is a must. The sunrise hike offers a view that will take your breath away. Wildlife enthusiasts, Bali has something for you too. The Bali Safari and Marine Park offers a safari experience with a diverse range of animals. Need to unwind? Indulge in traditional Balinese spa treatments and massages for a relaxing experience. Foodies, get ready to tantalize your taste buds with local dishes like babi guling, bebek betutu, and various traditional satay. If your visit aligns with a festival such as Nyepi or Galungan, join in the celebrations to witness unique cultural events. Island hopping to nearby islands like Nusa Lembongan, Nusa Penida, or the Gili Islands offers more pristine beaches and diving opportunities. For the shoppers, local markets offer unique souvenirs, textiles, and handicrafts. The Ubud market is particularly popular. Bali is also a hub for yoga and wellness retreats. Consider joining a yoga class or wellness program to rejuvenate your mind and body. And finally, take a cycling tour through Bali's countryside to experience the local culture and scenic landscapes. Remember, respect for local customs and traditions is key to a truly immersive Balinese experience. And there you have it, a glimpse into the magic that is Bali. To continue this journey and explore more spectacular destinations, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your presence in our community. Continue to join us as we unravel the beauty of the world, one destination at a time.